Good day. Do you know how to read fractions? Do you know what is 4/6 all about? Yan ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon. In this video, we are going to define the meaning of fraction, the parts of a fraction, how to read a fraction, and how to write both in numerals and in words. Are you ready? Upang mas lalo nating maintindihan kung ano ang fraction, kinakailangan natin gumamit tayo ng isang mansanas, isang buong mansanas. To demonstrate a fraction, we need 1 whole of an apple. Kapag pinaghati natin ang mansanas into 2 equal parts, ito ang mangyayari sa kanya. Kailangan ng hati ay pantay-pantay o ang tinatawag nating hating kapatid. Kapag nahati natin ang mansanas sa dalawa, ito na ang itsura. Ang isang buo, pag hinati, ay may 2 parts. Ito ang isang part. 1 part is called 1/2. I repeat, 1/2. Paano natin isusulat? Mamaya, pag-aaralan natin kung paano sinusulat sa salita. 1/2 is written as ONE-HALF. 1/2. Always remember to write hyphen in between 1 and half to join these 2 words. How does a fraction looks like? From our previous example, 1/2 looks like this. The number above the line is called numerator. Again, numerator. Again, numerator. How about the number below the bar? It is called denominator. Denominator. Let's repeat. The number above the line is called numerator. Numerator tells how many equal parts or pieces of the whole we are talking about. Ngayon naman ay ang number below the bar. Ang tawag natin ay denominator. 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 Denominator tells how many total number of parts or pieces are there. So, ang keyword dito ay total number of parts. Upang mas maintindihan pa natin lalo ang fraction, gagamit tayo ng pinakamasarap na pizza sa buong mundo. Hahatiin natin ng 2 ang buong pizza. Dahil hindi natin makakain ng buo ang isang pizza, hahatiin natin ng 2. Ito ang isang part. Ito naman ang pangalawang part. 1 whole pizza is cut into 2 equal parts. Kapag pinagsama mo ang 2 half, we call that 2 halves. Remember its silent L. I repeat, 2 halves. What if the question is, what fraction are the red parts? Anong sagot? The answer is 2/6. Paano? Bilangin kung ilan ang red parts na tinutukoy sa tanong. Ilan? Meron siyang 2 parts. This number becomes our numerator. Now, the next problem is to find out what is the denominator. Ang denominator ay kung ilan ang total number of parts. Ilang merong total parts ng ating figure? There are 6 parts. Therefore, our answer will be 2/6. 2/6 is written in words like this. Congratulations to the 3 IVFC kids who bagged the awards on gold, silver, and bronze. In this video, we are going to learn how to write fractions in words. Upang mas madaling hanapin mga fractions, kailangan natin ng service ni Pluto. Ituturo ni Pluto kung anong fraction ng mga kulay na kanya tinutukoy. Kagaya nito, tinutukoy ni Pluto ang kulay red. Ilang fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 2/6. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 1/2. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 2/2. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 3/6. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 2/4. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 1/3. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 2/3. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 5/5. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 1/10. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 2/4. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 4/6. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 1/6. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 5/6. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 1/6. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 3/6. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 2/6. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 1/4. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 1/5. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 4/5. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 1/10. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 1/8. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Anong fraction ang tinutukoy ni Pluto? The fraction is 3/8. Paano natin isusulat sa salita? Sa ngayong araw, ang ating pag-uusapan ay ang mixed number. Ito ay combination ng whole number at saka fraction. Using this figure, ano ang iyong nakikita? How are you going to interpret this figure? We can see 1 whole and 1/2. Therefore, it is read as 1 and 1/2. It can also be read as 1 and a half. In numeral, this is how 1 1/2 is written. And this is how it is written in words. How about this figure? Ano ang iyong nakikita? There are 2 wholes and 1/2. This is how 2 1/2 is written in numeral. And this is how the mixed number is written in words. 2 1/2. How about this one? It is 2 1/2. 2 1/3. How do you interpret this one? It is 1 2/3. 1 2/3. How about this one? It is read as 2 2/4. In words, it is written as 2 2/4. Anyone who can figure it out? It is read as 1 2/4. 1 2/4 can be written in words just like this. In this figure, the whole circle is divided into 5 parts. In numerals, it is written as 1 1/5. And in words, it is written as 1 1/5. Another one is divided into 5 equal parts. It can be interpreted as 1 4/5. This is how it is written in words. How about this one? This can be interpreted as 2 3/5. And this is how it is written in words. Anyone who could guess? It is 1 3/5. This is how it is written in words. Can you tell me how many total equal parts are there? This figure tells us it's 1 5/7. This is how it is written in words. The figure tells us that it is divided into how many parts? It's 7. Now, it is being read as 2 6/7. 2 6/7 is written like this. How many equal parts this one whole is being divided? This can be interpreted as 2 5/10. This is how 2 5/10 is written in words. How about this one? Did you say 1 3/10? Yes. Yes, it is written as 1 3/10. How about this one? It is written as 1 5/10. 1 5/10. Sa palagay ko, by this time, alam nyo na ang mixed number. And how about this one? Now, it is written as 1 4/8. And this is how it is being in words. The figure shows that there is 1 whole and 2/3. If we are going to change the mixed number into improper fraction, what will it be? That will be our lesson today. Improper fractions. Improper fraction is a fraction which numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. Kung ang numerator ay pareho o mas malaki kaysa denominator, Ito ay tinatawag nating improper fraction. This figure tells us that there is one whole and half of a whole. As a mixed number, this is 1 and a half, or 1 and 1/2. The question is, how will we convert 1 and a half into improper fraction? How? We will count the parts we are talking about. 1, 2, 3. 3 becomes the numerator, while 2 becomes the denominator of the improper fraction. 3/2 is now the improper fraction of the said figure. Can you guess the improper fraction of this figure? This is the mixed number 2 and a half, and it can be converted in a different way. Look, from the bottom to the side to the top. Again, denominator is multiplied to the whole number plus 1 equals 5. 5 becomes the numerator, while 2 is the denominator. This is now the improper fraction of 2 and a half. This is read as 5/2. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 5/3. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 10/4. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 6/4. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 6/5. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 9/5. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 13/5. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 8/5. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 12/7. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 20/7. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 25/10. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 13/10. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 15/10. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 12/8. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 28. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 22/8. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 12/8. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 20/8. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 16/9. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 17/9. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 17/9. Can you tell me about its mixed number? Can you convert this mixed number into its improper fraction? The improper fraction is 25/9. Magandang umaga mga IVFC kids! Familiar ba kayo sa mga bagay na ito? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Ito ang pera ng Pilipinas. The Philippine currency or the Philippine money uses this symbol to represent the Philippine peso. As of 2021, these are the following denominations of the Philippine currency. 20 peso bills, 50 peso bills, 100 peso bills, 200 peso bills, 500 peso bills, and lastly, 1,000 peso bills. The money is used to purchase goods and services, but remember, money cannot buy everything. Now, we have an exercise. How much money do you have? Kindly read the following sentences. How much money do I have? I have 3 100 peso bills. My money is 300 pesos. And now, it's your turn to read. Now let's have the exercises. How much money do I have? How much money do you have? You will answer, I have blank. My money is blank. How much money do you have? 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 Good day, kids. Do you know which one is more than the other? Do you know which one is less? Yan ang ating pag-uusapan today. In order to determine which one is more or which one is less, the following symbols are used: less than, greater than, and equal sign. I repeat, less than, greater than, equal sign. Ako si Great Equalist. Ako ang tutulong sa inyo upang malaman ang mas maliit, mas malaki, o pareho lang. There are 10 sticks on the left and there is only one stick on the right. So which one is more? Which one is less? Which symbol are we going to use? There you have it. This is read as 10 is greater than 1. Can you repeat it? How about this one? Which symbol are we going to use to compare these two numbers? This is read as 1 is less than 10. Can you repeat it? Which symbol are we going to use on these two groups of sticks? There you have it. This is the equal sign. This is then read as 10 is equal to 10. Or it can be read as 10 equals 10. There you have it. We have learned about the three symbols. Let us try to use which symbol is more appropriate to compare two numbers. Let's compare 100 and 200. Which symbol are we going to use? 100 is less than 200. Let's continue comparing. 30 is greater than 20. How about this one? The one on the left is the same as the one on the right. Which symbol are we going to use? This is read as 11 is equal to 11, or 11 equals 11. 4 is greater than 1. 2 is equal to 2. 2 is less than 3. Now, let us try to use these symbols with money. Can you try this one? $100 pesos is equal to 100 pesos. $100 pesos is less than 500 pesos. $1,000 pesos is equal to 1,000 pesos. $500 pesos is less than 1,000 pesos. $200 pesos is less than 1,000 pesos. $1,000 pesos is less than 2,000 pesos. $50 pesos is less than 100 pesos. $50 pesos is equal to 50 pesos. $200 pesos is greater than 100 pesos. $400 pesos is less than 500 pesos. $20 pesos is less than 200 pesos. $40 pesos is less than 200 pesos. $20 pesos is less than 500 pesos. $500 pesos is greater than 20 pesos. $40 pesos is less than 100 pesos. 200 pesos is greater than 100 pesos. $200 pesos is equal to 200 pesos. Now it's your turn to identify which symbol is more appropriate to compare two numbers. Can you tell me what time is it? That will be our lesson for today. Kids, I just want to ask you one question. Is it really important to learn how to tell time as young as you are? Yes, because we will know when to go to school, when to eat our breakfast, when to eat our lunch or dinner, or when we go to sleep. There are two kinds of clock, the digital and the analog. We will be discussing mostly the analog clock. The face of the analog clock has 12 numbers. The analog clock has 60 tick marks around the circle. For the hour, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until 12. With regards to the minute, we start counting by 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and it will be reset into 0. Analog clock has 3 hands. One is short, the second is long, and the one is slim. This hand points to the hour, to the minute, to the second. This video, we will be discussing only hour and minutes. Now let's go to the first example. The short hand points to number 6, while the long hand points to 12. Now, tell me, what time is it? The time is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock could also be written in words. Let's take a look with this example. The hour hand points between 12 and 1. Malapit na sa 1 pero hindi pa talaga siya 1. Therefore, the hour is 12. While the minute hand points to 11 or 55 minutes. Now, can you tell me what time is it? The time is 12:55, or it can be also read as 5 minutes before 1. Now, can you tell me what time is it? You can answer by saying, the time is... That's correct. The time is 12:55. Now it's your turn. What time is it? The time is 12:45, or it can be read as 15 minutes before 1 o'clock. It could also be read as 1:45. What time is it? The time is 8:15. What time is it? The time is 8 o'clock. What time is it? The time is 7:40. What time is it? The time is 7:30. What time is it? The time is 8 o'clock. What time is it? The time is 7:15. What time is it? The time is 7 o'clock. What time is it? The time is 6:30. What time is it? The time is 6:15. What time is it? The time is 5:45. What time is it? The time is 5:35. What time is it? The time is 5 o'clock. What time is it? The time is 5:30. What time is it? The time is 5:15. What time is it? The time is 5:05. What time is it? The time is 4:45. What time is it? The time is 4:30. What time is it? The time is 4:15. What time is it? The time is 4 o'clock. What time is it? The time is 4 o'clock. What time is it? The time is 3:30. What time is it? The time is 3:15. What time is it? The time is 3 o'clock. What time is it? The time is 1 o'clock. What time is it? The time is 2:30. What time is it? The time is 2:15. What time is it? The time is 2 o'clock. In a year, there are 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Noong unang panahon, may isang prinsipe na gustong matuklasan ang hiwaga ng bundok tawon. Isang araw, nagpasya na siyang umakyat sa bundok tawon. Ayon sa kwento ng kanyang mahal na amang hari, may 5 daliri daw ang bundok. At ang paglalakbay sa bawat daliri ng bundok, meron kang 31 araw para marating ang tuktok. At ang pagbaba naman ay 30 araw. Maliban sa unang pagbaba, na iyong mararating lang sa loob ng 28 o 29 na araw, depende sa panahon. At sa unang pagkakataon, umakyat na si Prinsipe Bulan. Inabot ng 31 araw bago marating ang tuktok ng bundok. Tinawag ang unang paglalakbay bilang Enero. At sa pangalawang paglalakbay ng prinsipe at ang una niyang pagbaba sa bundok, ito ay tatawagin niyang Pebrero. Dahil sa iksi ng bundok, narating ni prinsipe ang paanan ng bundok sa loob ng 29 na araw. Pinagpatuloy ni prinsipe ang kanyang pangatlong paglalakbay at tatawagan niya itong Marso. Naalala ni Prinsipe Bulan ang sinabi ng kanyang amang hari na tuwing aakyat 31 araw ang kanyang guguguling upang marating ang tuktok ng daliri ng bundok. Mula ngayon, ang paglalakbay niya papunta sa paanan ng bundok ay 30 araw. Tatawagin niya itong Abril. Pinagpatuloy ng prinsipe ang kanyang panlimang paglalakbay. Tatawagin niya itong Mayo. Mga kids, pang ilang paglalakbay na ba ni Prinsipe Bulan ito? Tama! At tatawagin niya itong Hunyo. At sa pampitong paglalakbay, tatawagin niya itong Hulyo. Naabutan ng malakas na ulan ang prinsipe at hindi na siya makatawid dahil sa lalim ng tubig. Humingi siya ng kapangyarihan upang makatawid sa kabilang bundok. At sa pangwalong paglalakbay, narating niya ang kabilang bundok sa loob ng 31 araw. Tinawag niya itong Agosto. Dahil bangin na ang nakikita ng prinsipe, minabuti na niyang bumalik at magpasaklolo sa pinakamataas na bundok. Tatawagin niyang Setyembre ang paglalakbay na ito. Gaya ng inaasahan, 30 araw ang paglalakbay ni prinsipe. Kahit pagod na ang prinsipe, minabuti niyang akyatin ang susunod na bundok at tatawagin itong Oktubre. Ang susunod na paglalakbay ay tatawagin niyang Nobyembre. Dahil ito na ang huling paglalakbay ng prinsipe, tumawa na siyang umakyat sa pinakamataas na bundok. Tatawagin niya itong Disyembre. At dito na siya humingi ng saklolo sa mahal na hari. At dito nagtatapos ang alamat ng bundok Taungon. Good day, kids! In this calendar, what day of the week is Christmas? Do you know the answer? That will be our lesson today. In this video, we are going to discuss days of the week, weeks, months, and year. Do you know the importance of calendar? Of course, dito natin malalaman ang day of the week mula day 1 hanggang last day. Gaya ng iyong birthday. Alam niyo ba ang day of the week ng iyong birthday? This is the calendar for the year 2022. It starts from January and ends in December. Before discussing the calendar, we might as well discuss the 12 months of the year, namely January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This is the first page of the calendar. It is for the month of January. The calendar tells us about the year and the days of the week starting from Sunday. The calendar tells you also about the last day of the month. This is February. This is the second month of the year. This is the month where we are celebrating Valentine's Day. This is the only month that changes the total number of days depending on the year, if it is leap or an ordinary year. Leap year has a total number of 29 days, while ordinary year has only 28 days. If the last two digits is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. The year 2022 is not a leap year because it is not divisible by 4. Therefore, February 2022 ends in 28 days. This is March, the third month of the year. It ends on the 31st day. This is April. the fourth month of the year. It has 30 days. This is the month of May. Can you locate the last day of this month? What day of the week is the last day of this month? Can you locate it? The 31st day falls on a... Yes, it's Tuesday. In the month of June, can you figure out what day of the week is June 15th? Yes, June 15th falls on a Wednesday. For the month of July, can you figure out the last day for this month? Yes, it falls on a Sunday. What is the day of the week on the 12th of August? 12th of August falls on a Friday. Now we are in the bare months already. It's almost Christmas. Now, for the month of September, find the last day of the month. Yes, it falls on a Friday. What is the day of the week on the 13th of October? 13th of October falls on a Thursday. How about the first day of November? What day is it? 1st of November falls on a Tuesday. Now it's December. It's Christmas season. What day of the week will be the Christmas day? Yes, it's Sunday. Merry Christmas, everybody. Now let's talk about the days of the week, and it starts with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. For every ordinary year, we have 365 days. Otherwise, if it is a leap year, it has 366 days. Kapag ang pinag-uusapan naman ay ang linggo, we have 52 weeks. We have 7 days a week. We have 24 hours a day. We have 60 minutes an hour. And we have 60 seconds a minute. Sa mga magulang na gustong isali ang mga anak upang mas lalo silang magiging mahusay, mangyari po lamang makipag-ugnayan sa mga admin. I-search lang sa Facebook ang IVFC Early Learners Info page. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.